Alright guys, we got a 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, and today all we're going to do is just change the air filter right here in this box right here, which takes no more than 5 minutes or so. Basic tools you'll need: flathead screwdriver right here. If you have an impact drill, you use an impact drill with a nice little Phillips head on it. And today basically we're going to change it into the K&N filter. Pretty simple to use. K&N drop-in filter right here, as you can see. Not too bad. Pre-oiled. The model number is 332247. You can pick it up anywhere you like. I got mine off Amazon. So ultimately all we're going to do is you're going to remove a couple screws. Pretty simple. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. All you need to do, once you have the screws off, which I already previously done right here, is lift it up right here, flathead screwdriver, pop off the old filter, just right here. Not too bad. It's pretty clean for what it is, but ultimately you want a little bit more horsepower, perhaps a little more fuel economy, which we'll check out and see if it actually delivers. But like I said, this filter is pretty clean. You didn't need to replace it, but it's always good to do it every once in a while, or actually whenever you change your oil. So here I'm going to drop it on in. Pretty easy. Just lift it up, make sure it fits in the actual device here, the air box. Pop it in there nice and snug. Close her up. Get your screws with your drill, or if you have a Phillips screwdriver, whichever you prefer. Screw it all in. Don't tighten all the way down until you have all the screws in there. Get the last one here. It's a little tricky, but it's fairly easy. Tighten it down. Make sure you have a good tight screw there, so that way you have no air leaks. Just like that. The last one here. And there you go, guys. Pretty simple. I like to put the little sticker right here in the top, so whenever you change your oil, the technicians know not to take it out and throw it away, because it's brand new. It doesn't need to be changed for about 1,000,000 miles, supposedly what they say. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that like and subscribe. Have yourself a great day.